Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It news channel, and interesting story that pops up this week. Foxconn, the giant Chinese manufacturer of almost everything electronics we have, Foxconn is behind a lot of the parts of iPhones and smartphones that we use, computers we use. It's crazy. That is one of the, if not the biggest company in China. It has several million employees. It's totally crazy when you think about it. And it is a company that's been, in controversy over time and so on. But the latest news we have is that they've been hit by a ransomware attack. And actually, what's happened is that they have had their computers files that were not encrypted were actually stolen, and their main computers have been encrypted by ransomware. And now the group behind the attack says that they want to have $34 million in exchange of Foxconn getting back its files. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens. I mean, I can't believe that they would actually go and pay out. If they do, that means they're not taking care of the way that the data should be stored properly, and they're not doing backups, because a company that is actually thinks about its stuff correctly would actually not have everything. They would have a backup. They just say, hey, to hell with it, we're just going to use our backups. And let's hope that that's the way it is, because too many companies and too many organizations we see over years pay bad guys because they don't have backups of anything, which is completely crazy when you think about it. So 34 million they're asking, and that's going to be interesting to see what happens if they get out of there without paying a cent or have to pay something. But it just shows that even big companies are at risk. So that's where forming employees properly is really the best idea, so that you can prevent this. Because very often it comes internally from an employee, much more than anything else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.